Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on your Realme Narzo 50A Prime. So if we open our Google Play Store and we'll want to search for Fortnite, it won't be available. To get it instead, we'll need to go to our to the website, to any browser, and find the Google Epic Games Launcher app, and then download it and install it. From here we can open it. You can also see our other video in which we explain how to install Fortnite, and press on the Fortnite, and as you can see, device is not supported, so you can't play Fortnite on your Realme Narzo 50A Prime. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.